What we're going to learn about is ratio. That word is ratio. And the key words you're going to hear me saying are ratio, every, and later on, the bar method. So before I start showing you some things, let me just explain what ratio is. Ratio is how many of different things we have when we keep doing the same thing. So how many of each different thing we have when we keep repeating the same thing. So let me show you. I'm going to make some biscuits with some fruit. I've got green apples, bananas, and red apples. And every time I put one red apple in, I have to put 2 green apples in and 3 bananas. Okay? Every time I do it. So, every time I put 1 apple in, I have to put 2 green apples and 3 bananas. So, for every 1 red apple, I put 2 green apples and 3 bananas. So let me show you again. I need to put more. So now I'm going to put another 1 red apple. For every 1 red, I have 2 green apples. And for every 1 red apple and 2 green apples, I have 3 bananas. So now I put that in again. Another 1, another 2, and 3 bananas. Well, I need more in my to make my biscuits. So for every 1 red apple, I have 2 green apples, and I have 3 bananas. So now I'm going to put these in. 1, 2 green apples, and my 3 bananas. Now I've got in here a lot more now than 1 red apple, 2 green apples, and 3 bananas. And so ratio is about me being able to find out how much I put in here without counting each one. Okay? So let me show you a little bit about ratio before we learn about how to solve problems. So here I have some ratios. And it says, look, for every 2 blue pins, I have 3 orange ones. And the way we write that is I have 2 for every 3. And here I have 4 paper clips for every 2 rubbers. So 4 for every 2. And here I have 3 red counters for every 5 green. 3 for every 5. So here, if I carried on putting these pins in here as well, every 2 blue, I'd put 3 orange. 2 blue again, 3 orange. 2 blue, 3 orange. Now if I put these in here, wouldn't be a very tasty cake. 4 paper clips, 2 rubbers, 4 paper clips, 2 rubbers, 3 red, 5 green, 3 red, 5 green. So here's some more examples. If I have 6 oranges for every 3 apples, 6 for every 3. 6, 3, 6, 3. If I have 7 pencils for every 5 pens, 7 for 5. And then here's a bit longer, this one. 6 dogs for every 2 hamsters for every 1 cat. So 6 for every 2 hamsters for every 1 cat. Now I don't want to put those in my biscuits, then they really wouldn't taste very nice. But 6 and 2 and 1. 6 and 2 and 1. And this is what ratio is. And in the next video, I'm going to explain how we solve problems.